Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kamogelo and this is the second video for the Intro to C# using console application series. If you haven't watched the first video, please do. So today we're just gonna look at data types and arithmetic operators. We're gonna start off with data types. Well, a data type describes the format and the size of a data item. It can be a string, integer, character, or boolean. So specifying a data type is basically describing what kind of a data item that is. I'm just gonna show you guys how to use some of the data types. Here's how you can use them. The first one is an integer. So an integer is just a whole number. I'm just gonna use age as an example, and this is how you declare and display an integer. The second one is a double. A double is a floating point number, which means it's a number that contains decimal positions. Even though a double is good for financial calculations, a decimal has a greater position, which makes it more suitable for financial calculations. So if you want to do some financial calculations, I'd suggest use a decimal instead of a double, but yeah, you can use a double. Our third data type is the Boolean data type. So the Boolean data type is based on the true or false comparison. So you can only store a true or a false. You cannot store an integer, a string, or a double. It's just true or false. I'm just gonna show you how you can compare two integers using the Boolean data type. So yeah, here I'm just gonna compare 5 and 4 just to check which one is greater than the other. So yeah, if 5 is greater than 4, it's gonna return a true. If it's not, a false, and then vice versa. Our fourth data type is a string. A string is a data type that can hold a series of characters. Yeah, I think if I said a string is a string of characters, that was gonna sound so cool. And lastly, the character data type. The character data type is a data type that can hold any single character. So yeah, if you wanna use a single character, yeah, just use the character data type. Let's get started with the second part of our tutorial, which is binary arithmetic operators. Well, they call binary operators because you use two arguments with each. One value to the left of the operator and another value to the right of the operator. The two arguments are actually called operands, and binary operators, it's basically your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, which some people call modulus. Let me show you how binary operators work or are used.